Good evening, Internet. Welcome back. Want to do a quick update about that IOgear piece I just installed. Just did a review on it. I got the box down here still. My office is still a complete wreck. It's the IOgear 4-port USB wireless sharing hub. Just got done setting it up. It was very, very easy. I set it all up in probably a half hour. But that includes me finding all the stuff I wanted to connect to it, running all the cables, organizing it, plugging everything in. Just once you have everything set up how you want, just the actual software installation and everything is so simple. I'll kind of turn you around to my little programming station I have over here. Desk is kind of a mess right now, so I do a little bit of programming and other things over here. I try to have a little bit of desk space so I can actually get some work done. But over here, I have the sitting on top here. I have the actual IOgear piece, and then underneath it are 3 external hard drives. I think all of them have like terabyte drives or something like that in them. I just realized my headphones were on here backwards. Let me fix that real quick. So connected all to that. I even have my printer down here that I kind of had a cord running across the room, and that connected and worked perfectly. Printer driver installs. If you already have the printer driver installed on it, it'll install the same driver again, but it'll make a copy of it in your devices and printers. So make sure your printing device is the correct copy of it. But wound up working really well. I didn't have any issues with it. The software it comes with is dead simple. I did follow along with the instruction manual, but really wasn't necessary. Very easy to set up. Gives you all the passwords and everything, so you don't have to figure out or Google around for passwords. Does open once you install the program, it has you open a web interface where you go to its IP address. And then once you're in the browser's web interface for the device, real easy setup guide. It's almost not even necessary. It's do you want the wireless on or off? So you can share it on a wireless network or LAN network. And then, do you want a password or something like that? So once that's set up, all you do is open the little bit of software one time and connect yourself to whatever devices you want to be connected to. For example, I want to be connected to everything, all the the 3 network drives over there in the printer. But my wonderful girlfriend, she only needs access to the wireless printer, so I installed the same software on her computer one time, and then logged into that software and connected to the printer. Worked perfectly as it should, just as if it was networked. So really impressed with the ease of access. I mean, it does exactly what it says. It's a USB network sharing station. It does exactly that. You plug things into it using a USB connection. It's also connected to a network. I have a switch over here somewhere. And it's connected to this stack of hard drives, and on top is the device itself. All of that all of a sudden becomes connected to the network. So it's kind of like a really fancy little 4-port USB hub that's networked. And you can plug a whole bunch of different stuff into it. I'm going to try plugging in maybe like an iPod or old iPod I don't really use. I'm sharing a whole bunch of stuff on the network because originally I had a whole bunch of media streamers around my apartment, and then all of them had their own little individual hard drive. But if I ever wanted to update them every once in a while, I'll pull them all into the office, dump a whole bunch more movies or TVs or music on it, and then take them back to their appropriate station. Now I have a better chance of just networking all that stuff, leaving it there. All the media streamer devices are smart enough to support DLNA and UPnP and FTP transfers and all that good stuff. So just trying to keep it simple. So really good product. Very glad I bought it. I just wanted to give you a quick update on how easy it was to set this up. I think it's like an hour later. I filmed it at like 8 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock now. And that included me running around and finding all this stuff and managing all the cables and all that good stuff, so I don't have a huge rat's nest over here. So super easy. Definitely recommend it. If you're interested, watch the review. So that's the follow-up. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you in the next one.